What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to print double-sided on your Epson XP-2200 printer. So the first thing that you need to know guys is that you can't actually print double-sided automatically. This printer unfortunately doesn't have duplex printing capabilities where normally you would see a paper come out, go back in again, flip it around and then print on the other side. Now, unfortunately, this printer can't do that. So you do have to do it manually. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that from your computer. And the same will work for your phone as well. So guys, if you're looking to print a double-sided document, such as this piece of sheet music I have here, all you need to do guys is press print, and we must make sure that we have loaded our paper correctly. So we've got it loaded into our rear paper feeder. We've got it clipped down just so that it's nice and secure, guys. We want to make sure it's clipped so it doesn't skew all over the place. And what we want to do, guys, is make sure that we select what pages we want to print out first. So we only want to print out the first page, okay? So we should customize it and just do number 1. So that means we're just printing out this first page here, and we won't print double-sided. So we're just going to select our printer here. Let me just find it, XP-2200. So now guys, this is going to print the first page of your PDF document or photo or whatever you want to do double-sided. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take it and flip it around and then print the other side of the paper. So we're just going to watch it come out now. Look at that, guys. Okay, brilliant guys. We have our piece of sheet music. Now, we obviously want to make sure that we orientate it correctly for the other side. So we're just gonna flip it around like this. And guys, to be honest, if you mess up with the orientation once, that's completely okay. Just try again. Make sure you kind of get the gist of how to orientate it. So for whatever your needs are and however you want the double-sided page to look. So what we do next, guys, is we go to the print option again on our document, and we want to press customized pages here and just type in number 2. So it's only going to do the second one. And now we're going to press print, and we're going to see it do the second page only on the back side of our piece of paper. And look at that, guys. Both sides of paper now have the sheet music on. I'm honestly not sure if I even orientated it correctly, and I did. Look at that. That is perfect. So, guys, that is it. That is how to do a double-sided print on your Epson XP-2200 printer. If you found this tutorial helpful, guys, please help us out and like and subscribe. That would really help us out so much so that we can start earning a little bit of money from this. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or problems, leave them in the comment section down below, guys. We'll help everyone out as soon as we can. And if you guys are looking for any paper, printing supplies, or ink, or anything like that, check out our link in the description, guys. We are partnered with a third-party global printing supply store. They do great deals on everything you could want, and you'd be helping out a small business, and you would be helping out us. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.